In this video, I'm going to teach you an easy pentatonic scale lick that you can use at the end of any song in the key of C. Here it is over Blue Skies. So that lick at the end is what I'm going to teach you. Let's get into it right now. Hey everybody, Stu with Ukulele Zen. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you haven't already, hope you'll subscribe to this channel. I put out content like this each and every week. Click the subscribe button below this video and make sure you ring the notification bell as well. If you'd like to support this channel and get some extra bonus content, there's also a link in the description below to my Patreon page. Lots of goodies waiting for you there. Blue Skies by Irving Berlin was featured in my first chord solo book. My next one's coming out very soon, and I'm going to be reworking the solo, re-releasing it with little extra bells and whistles on it. The lick that I used at the very end is over a C major pentatonic scale. The scale is 3rd fret C, open A, 3rd fret G, open E, 2nd fret D, and then open C. If you have a low G string ukulele, you can go below the root to play the A and the G down here, just like you were playing up here. Before we start to learn any of the other ways to play the scale, all the different positions, we can just take these notes and play this lick. And please take this lick and make it your own by changing the rhythm. This is what I played. 2, 3, 4. And then I ended with these harmonics that I will explain in just a moment. C, open, G, open E, then I stop on the D, and then quick open C, and now I add a note that's not in the scale, but it's a bluesy note. I'm adding the E flat at the 3rd fret, D, open. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. I still got a few more things to share with you, but if you're enjoying this video, will you do me a favor and give this a thumbs up? Click the thumbs up like button. I appreciate that very much. Let's get back into it. Now, of course, I'm showing you these without any tablature. This is the way I learned. This is the way a lot of improvised music is taught. You listen to what somebody plays and then mimic it. Of course, my future online courses are going to be fully notated, but still there will be this ear training. Now, if you'd like to improve the connection between your ear and your instrument, check this next tip out. A really fun way to develop your musicianship is to do something I suggested in the live stream. You play something and then scat it back or sing it back. Notice this idea. I'm going to play and then I'm going to scat it back. Now I sing ba-do-do, ba-do-do, ba-do-do. When you do this, you create a stronger link between your instrument, your voice, your imagination, and your heart. So when you play in this way, you actually develop not only the strong technical connection, but your creativity is really stimulated. Go and have fun with this idea. Please explore all different ways that you can play the same collection of notes. Ba-do-da-ba. So go ahead, explore the scale and use rhythm. I encourage you to just in a very fun and playful way explore the connection between your voice and your instrument. We'll be getting into this in great depth in my online courses. Make sure you sign my mailing list below. In the description, there's a link to sign up. You get a free tune when you do. Here's what I did with the harmonics. For a full tutorial on how to use harmonics, click right here. There are links in the description below. To get into this really quickly, what you do with a harmonic is cover the string at the 12th fret. So if I was going to fret, I'm pushing the string down against the 12th fret, but what I'm doing instead with a harmonic is resting the finger directly above the fret. So you can see my finger is resting on the string. I then pluck it with some authority. You want to give it a good firm pick and then remove the finger a moment later. Try it on the 3rd string, then the 2nd and 1st string. These harmonics at the 12th fret are the same notes as if you were fretting, but they have a wonderful, spacious, kind of ethereal quality. When you play this, you're simulating playing at the 12th fret, which would be one octave above the open string C6. What this means is by playing the harmonics, you're playing a really colorful open C6 chord. Here it is with a lick. Ain't that purty? And of course, to explore other ways of playing harmonics, check out the video in the description below. I have all kinds of interesting videos at my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Make sure you click the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.